Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a credit or debit card to your account on your Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, open the Nintendo eShop app and then make sure you choose the correct account here if you have multiple. If you now see a QR code, you'll need to scan this and sign in. Once in the shop, move to and select your profile icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down to the settings section. Double check this is your account by viewing the email preview in the top left. If this looks good, choose Save in the credit card information section, and now you can enter your card details on this page. A debit or credit card should work as long as it's with one of the payment networks shown, currently Visa or MasterCard, and most cards should be. With this page filled out correctly, choose Save at the bottom of the page and allow this to load. You may then need to verify your card or follow the information on screen. If you see an error here, you could head back and try again, try another card, or we can try adding the card details another way. Head to the official Nintendo Store page in a browser on your phone, PC or Mac and log into your Nintendo account. On the account page, scroll down and look for the Payment Method section. Now select Change. Then choose Save in the Credit Card section and fill out the information. Tap on Save, and now you may need to verify it here with your bank like you do with other payments. It might show as a transaction of zero value. After this, it should now be linked with your account, and if you fully close and reload the shop app on your Switch 2, it should now show here for you to manage or delete if you wanted to in the future. You might also want to change the settings related to how automatic renewals are paid, which is also on this page. That's how to add a credit or debit card to your account on your Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video